Good morning mga kalinis. Magbibenta ulit tayo ng bote, ng kalakal. Ulangan natin. 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So, kasya po yan sa sasakyan. Hindi naman siya masyadong punong-puno. Kita-kits po tayo mamaya. Mga kalinis, dito ulit kami kay paring Tim. Usual, small double-double. But this time, ano naman, medyo nag-upgrade. Sausage English muffin.
Kami na dinner kagabi.
Oh, nag-banana lang kami. Tapos, kasama na regular chili, Earl Grey, and instead of hash brown.
Hindi kami nakapag-video sa
Choose
loob kasi
old-fashioned flavor.
ano siya, madaming trabaho. Nagsasaboy na sila ng mga asin. Parang puno yung yelo sa mga entrance ng building. So ngayon, bumudulas kasi kapag walang asin. Nilagyan na asin para matunaw yung yelo. Kaya lang yung asin nadadala sa loob ng establishment. Yun ang dahilan kung bakit nangungulay pati yung sign. So medyo matagal siyang linisin. Pero okay lang. Ganun talaga pag winter. Kain mo lang kami. Kaya na lang. Ito na naman pag-check namin. Benta ng kalakal.
Naksama yung boses mo, hindi masyado marinig.
Resulta ng kalakal.
Magkano siya? 83?
83. Iwan ko yung piso.
$83. Dito na kami sa Shoppers.
Nabasag to. So papalitan natin ito.
Ito.
Ayun o, yung ngipin na basag. Ewan ko, nabunggo niya yata. So yan ang papalitan natin. Gagawin lang natin is tanggalin lang natin to. Dali lang naman ito. May marka na. Kasi sinasayad na eh. Isang buwan niya nang ginagamit na basag yan. Kaya may marka na to. criss-cross ang paglagay natin para hindi siya, para balanse siya. Yan.
So, paano gagawin para maiwasan?
Huwag niya ibubunggo.
Para
Tapos
hindi
kailangan
sila-
sentro.
Magkano naman yan kapag pinalitan?
100 plus. Itong piyesa na to. Ito 180.
Mahal pala niyan, ano? Tapos, ang tagal pa dumating. Nakabot ng buwan.
Matagal talaga ba sa Swiss Kemsel pag umorder? Kailangan hanap kayo ng ng aftermarket parts. Pangit. Tsaka huwag kayo bibili ng tenant. Pangit. Pangit ang tenant. Sirain. Maganda yung dustbin. Yan ang gamitin nyo yung dustbin.
Eh, bakit meron tayong tenant?
Yan ang sinusupply ng mother company. Siyempre, hulugan lang naman. Kaya, ganun. Ay, wala kang susi nito, no?
Pharmacy Q.
Yung pagkabit.
Kailangan ipapag...
It has to be centered. Hey John, this is how the way you do it. And then you bring down the head. You see that? And then you press the lever. This lever, press it, and it will clunk.
Pharmacy Q.
There you go. So that's engaged. Okay? That's engaged already. Okay, so that's how the way you do it, John. And John, you need to clean this. You need to clean that, or else it would be dirty and smelly. You need to clean also the machine. Wipe it down. See this? It's been 2 months, 3 months. You need to clean this also. Just a simple wiping, John. This is how the way you do it, John. Cleaning the dirty tank so that it's not smelly and it will not build up some gunk. You open this, put it in here. You turn the machine all the way around, and then you use this, and then you pour water on it. It's easy. All you have to do is do this, like this, right? To let the gunk out. You see all the sand are coming out. You see how smelly it is and how dirty is that? You see it's coming out from there. You see, because there's too much gunk in here. You should do this every time you use it after using it. Or it will clog up. Then you will be doing mopping of the floor if this doesn't work anymore. You take care of the machine will take care of you. You will have an easy life. You see how much sand was there inside? Right there. It's accumulated already and it starts to smell bad because it's not being cleaned. See that all of that sand, John? Now it's clogged. Something inside. Nag-clog na siya. See John, it's already clogged. You have lots of water in here. You have lots of water in here. And you see there's nothing coming out, right? I'm gonna, you see? It's already clogged. That's not being cleaned. I'm gonna open the faucet now. Something in there that's clogging it. Diyan mo to. See how many sand, how much sand is stuck in there. And these are the ones clogging your drain pipe. So, tapos na yung gawa natin. Napalitan na natin yung parts. Okay. So, nalinis na rin natin yung machine. Sasabihan na lang natin yung tao natin. I will send some videos na kung paano ang daily maintenance niya. Kailangan pupunasan niya rin.